guys, so this is my first video in a while now. I'm just making it because I'm kind of bored. If you couldn't tell, I am a cat at the moment because cats are cool. And yeah, that's pretty much how exciting I am. So, have you guys heard the new One Direction single that leaked? It's kind of amazing, like, amazing. It's gonna be a good song. I'm going to buy it tonight at midnight when it comes out, and I will be super happy about it because I might, like, cry. So, yeah, sorry for my shakiness of the camera here. So, I had a point to this video. My point is that I want to make a singing video, but I really have no clue what song to do. So if you guys could either message me on YouTube or tweet me. My Twitter is KaylaCollins_XO. I will put the link down below. That'd be pretty awesome. I need songs, like, actually, because I'm clueless. I just went to the dentist today. 6 months I'll be getting braces, so that's pretty exciting. Sorry, I'm just kind of in the bathroom here because it's a cool place and there's good lighting. So yeah, if you guys could just do that. Also, message me some video ideas. Again, tweet me. Subscribe to me on YouTube and follow me on Twitter. That'd be really awesome. Love you guys. Bye.